Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 34. So now we'll chain 34. So you just measure, if you want a different size, just measure the chain on your foot, on the bottom of your foot. So now for row 1 on the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1. Then right there to that second chain from the hook, you see how we have this chain? You have like 2 strands. So not through this first one, but through the second one, through the second loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, only through the next second loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, only through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, only through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain, only through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll turn my work around. I would chain 1 Then right there through that second chain from the hook, right there through the back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain right here through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain working through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain working through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain working through this back loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 3. So even for row 3 we are just repeating row 2. So yeah, for the pattern we repeat row 2. So we are working through, so we are working only through these back loops of every chain. So yeah, we repeat this throughout row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So by this point our work is like 8 inches long and 6 inches wide. Now I will chain 1. Now leave a long tail. Cut the yarn. Then I will use a yarn needle. Now we're going to join these two sides together. But I'll tell you how to do it. So through these chains, through every row, we insert our sewing needle or tapestry needle or yarn needle, whatever you call it. And now that we have closed these two sides, we're gonna join together a few more of these stitches. We're gonna keep trying it on until we like how it fits. Maybe like 2 to 3 inches, shouldn't be more. So now we'll secure this We'll go through the last stitch a couple times. Now we'll weave these ends in, and we only have one more step and we will be done, unless you want to make a flower or a bow or something extra. I'm just going to make a knot here. My mom, she had a totally different plan for this slipper, but I changed it around. So she's just looking at me in amazement. Right, mother? I think this was not long enough, so I'm just going to make one separate. Maybe I should just do one strand, so it doesn't look too thick. Yes. So here on the second corner, I'll join these two sides together. Cut this excess yarn. Now we have one more end to weave. And now, this is what we have. I'm going to turn my work inside out. Actually, I like how it looks. Let's just measure it for a second. So it measures like almost 20, yeah, 22 centimeters. So, but it's a stretchy. My foot is large, so I want to see if it will fit on my foot. But it's intended for people with a smaller foot than mine. Ooh, it will fit me too, as well as people with a smaller foot. This is actually very cool. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it looks very nice and it's very comfortable.